Hi everybody. This is the video for the instructions of from November 30th. That's today till Friday, December 4th. Um, Welcome back from holiday break, Thanksgiving break. Hope you had a nice one. I had a nice trip up to the mountains where I went camping with my family and friends. Hope you were able to get caught up a little bit, as I see a lot of you were when I started grading. I want to talk to you about this week's tutorial and the associated assignments and the mastery test. We're also going to talk about the rest of the semester, which is going to extend for this week and 2 more weeks after that. This week, the instructions for this week are going to be right here. That's this video that I'm making right now. There's a video that is associated with the tutorial that I'm posting in just a second. It's still compiling, but as soon as I get it posted into YouTube, I'll link it here. But remember how I want you to do this. I want you to pull down the guided notes first, go through the tutorial first, filling out the guided notes, and then watch the video. Okay, so you're going to be going through this thing a time or two. This is good. It helps to solidify the information in your brain. Over here on the left are actual assignments. I want you to go to this website from the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. They talk a lot about forensic anthropology. It's really interesting. There's a video that kind of goes with it from the Smithsonian channel, and I want you to do those when you get a chance. Watch them together because they do complement each other. There's another website, and this gets a little bit technical, but it's really it's kind of a neat read, and it talks about from an anthropological point of view how we pull out skeleton remains. That's a lot of what we talk about in this tutorial. So some interesting things, but do these of course after you've done the tutorial. Over here I've added one enrichment assignment this week if you want, but I highly encourage you to do so. This is a little bit tough read, but if you're really interested in this, it takes you just a little bit further into the idea of forensic anthropology. It's only 2 pages, but it talks a lot about what we've already covered in the tutorial, but kind of adds to it. I'd like to see you guys read that. It'll really help you out and get you ready. Of course, for Friday we're having a mastery test. Next week we're going to be doing one more tutorial, one more set of information, and then we're going to start getting ready for the final exam. So the final exam is going to cover everything we've talked about all semester so far, so you need to make sure that your notes are all caught up. By the way, if you did not get your notebook handed in to me over the break, that needs to be given to me soon. It was due last Thursday, actually 2 weeks ago, so you've had a while to get into this. This is the list of all of the tutorial notes that I'm collecting and grading. Make sure that gets handed in, and that's it. You guys, you should be caught up. If you're not, you're running way behind. You need to get to work. Call me, text me, email me. I'm Zooming right now. You're welcome to Zoom with me if you have any questions. But we're running low on time, and I'm not going to be able to give you any time extra, so you need to make sure that you're caught up and done. And speaking of done, so am I. So good luck. Let me know if I can do anything for you this week.